During President Herbert Hoover's tenure, a fascinating modification was made to the White House that remained hidden from the public eye. A pneumatic tube system was discreetly installed, allowing for secure communication between key offices without reliance on telephones that could be tapped. This innovation helped Hoover maintain confidential discussions during the tumultuous early years of the Great Depression. The system facilitated swift and private transfers of messages, showcasing Hoover's forward-thinking approach to crisis management. The little-known feature exemplifies the secretive yet strategic measures taken to ensure national security and discretion in leadership. Through this tale, viewers gain a glimpse into Hoover's presidency, blending history with technical intrigue and revealing a lesser-known facet of American executive adaptation.